name is Lisa Flensborg, and I'm from the Technical University of Denmark. And today I'm here to tell a bit about our study on ecological resilience in marine ecosystems. So it's well known that we're losing biodiversity on a global scale. And this is also happening in the marine environment. The loss of biodiversity has many consequences, but one of them is the loss of overall system resilience and stability. And this can have severe consequences for the function and the service that the ecosystem delivers. An example can be a coral reef shifting into an algae-dominated state. Ultimately, there is a need for a better understanding of how biodiversity provides overall resilience and stability in natural ecosystems. In this study, we developed a framework to quantify key biodiversity components of resilience. We used an indicator-based approach to assess the potential resilience of a case study in the North Sea. To do so, we included scientific bundled survey data on demersal fish species and combined it with species-specific trait information. This provides insight into the functional diversity of the system and an understanding of the underlying drivers of the biodiversity. We included functional richness, functional redundancy, functional evenness, and functional response diversity, as they have all been shown to be important drivers of systems' response to change. Our results show that it is possible to measure and estimate resilience, making it more tangible than it is today. We also find a pronounced spatial structuring in the indicators of resilience. Furthermore, we find a trade-off between the indicators, showing that maximizing all the indicators of resilience will not maximize the overall resilience of the system. Hence, it's important that management and conservation actions have clear targets and objectives for what kind of resilience that they want to manage for. Our study builds on already pre-existing theory between functional diversity and resilience. The matrices used in this study cover different aspects of resilience, but it also highlights the complexity of resilience and that it's very case specific, hence pointing to a specific matrix or trait promoting resilience depends on the management objectives and targets. The results in our study also highlights the importance of using a holistic approach when working with resilience, considering the different aspects of resilience. Hence, management needs to account for the different drivers of resilience in order to secure the ecosystem function and the services that biodiversity provide. This framework is generic and can be applied across different systems. The framework can furthermore be expanded with other indicators of resilience.